possible. It is not possible.
That's it.
Match being one or UEFA Champions League more. A year more talk worthy or analysis worthy than another United or Old Trafford. I mean, as a Manchester United fan, how was your night?
I think we there.
Which no to boss is
production meeting. We all agreed to say, and the Champions League game, ocean volume now, is big. It's enough time to diagnose the game.
Yeah.
So, into be about any game, I have boy.
Yeah.
Game in your boy. It's not like you're born in it. So you're born in a crowd and commit me amount of time. So be a coffee can want some kaka. But game you're born in that. Obian so nim scholars Everton and Conforno, Manchester United. Discussing baby and everything.
Would you see? In as much as say production meeting was done. Why you actually see me? You have the book orientation of OBAC near the other. Usually, when you get onto or you get over on air, that's over bekasa. Sometimes certain things supersede what have been discussed in production. How? And you have given me the autonomy to do my own production. Say, cause you a foreigner. Oh, mommy, autonomy say me production. Maybe autonomy. Say, autonomy. And then they can win quadra. David, what you mean? And I'm so autonomy. Autonomy. I'm the man. What you mean? I'm the man. David, what you mean? Autonomy. It's not possible. No, but how is it possible? Say Manchester United has lost 1-0 to an Everton side. They did red card. Rich, when Chelsea were getting red card, you sat here. Red card, FC Chelsea, and now they be on the red card. And yes, even when we kept on telling you, say a red card, the Chelsea didn't in your share. Who see your red card into the end? But who already any part on anybody? Well, who mobile? Any teammate akwa kokuntokwa. I mean, a man a red card akwa 19. I have not seen this before. Honestly speaking, one team on nipa kono send wedi onwa omwedi no enyo na otwa no enyo no betwa play out okoso onwa ni player mene ene yam onwa red card ene wase atwa no wase be show 1-0 Manchester United. It is unacceptable. There is no way anybody can sit anywhere and say that this Manchester United team is good enough on any front. It doesn't happen. It does not happen. It was in the 13th minute. And Idris Agana gay ekodi se ni amon sem. Which odi ni amon sem ni ya. Manchester had 1 man advantage for the better of 75 minutes. 75 minutes. And a Manchester United team enyaye. Which and now Brian Imbumo be ebobiana.
Oh boy.
Bruno Akwesi Fernandez bobiana.
Oh boy.
Amad Diallo ebobiana.
Oh boy.
Neso Masraoui ebobiana.
Yeah, oh boy.
Lani Sami Lamens ebobiana.
I know that good person.
So and you know now say David Moyes your mo boy. Ana scanner is man farmer no cheche.
Nasa. Yeah, but Champions League no. And
forget about Champions League.
Say when you say I have for over 1.4 no more here. Obiaba because of the Champions League. Me na catch. Me na make on Champions League. Message is there ben Obia se kofi chaso. Chaso no fi any Champions League.
Champions League den e be Obi anim say Chelsea Barca na bebo. Obi anim say Obi anim say the match no one out campaign e ba.
Say
we drew why be catch but me catch everybody knows the outcome. But I'm telling you that Rich, you cannot go and play in English Premier League match. Rich, and now your table now. And Ruben Amorim after the game. So you had an opportunity to close in. Weekend the City lose, Liverpool lose. To close in and come into the top 4.
I go Amorim on your coach.
Oh boy, and your coach as well. No one else was
But this is me.
Oh no, be
after watching closely. Amorim on your coach. One,
you are not honest with your Manchester United.
But
you sat here and you said that you beat them.
Kofi, during one Kasao started, and let me quote you. What say? Manchester United are all both fear at Old Trafford against a struggling Everton. On one Kasani play a deep red card as early as saying, I mean, 13th minute.
Yeah.
Do the infant say close to bear 75 minutes?
Yeah.
Your ball game, no. And to me, and you see the numerical advantage, you know. I feel them to win number. Yeah, to me, and you see the numerical advantage. See a bit with their share button. And you sit here and tell me, say, I'm a real coach.
But how is that down to the coach and your players? And your players? And you knew this. Only win now.
Yeah, I me course sabbatical leave into the
you course sabbatical.
Masa, no dear masa.
No,
Pacho. T. Made them home, Pacho. Inti, Koya me faso ameye me niema de no mfa ho. Me na me di me team. And I'm still say because sabbatical leave, all problem is there.
Sabbatical they mean.
Hey, masa.
Me need to museum because sabbatical. We are Manchester United fan. Manchester United, I want to support it. I want to why we my there is no way you should go for a sabbatical leave. It doesn't change anything. We are Manchester United, and it's as simple as that. We will maintain that and make sure so we are Manchester United. When Obana Babe says, "Oh, when Manchester United after the sabbatical leave, it was cleaning Brisbane on the Babe Shell. It was cleaning Brisbane Hall, and yet Obiake in the Babe Shell. It was Brisbane Hall and the Babe Shell. So you need to make sure say Manchester United born and then you sort things out all the club because you know them preach. Now Obiake Moko third was a fourth. Now after there all of a sudden Mababa Beda where you are right now. Rich United is not a good team.
To the Champions League discussion.
Debbie, I still further want to engage on Manchester
United. Debbie, time compatible.
And you're a good team.
I agree.
Manchester United.
Listen,
and you're a good team.
I agree. Magiatum. And me and Kasame Tina TV at here. Me Manchester United no. I mean, team Yajatum say Yanyadi. Because 10 against 11, I also want to share this Everton team. Yajatum. Inti move on. Why? Is it my job to say?
Rich, so I want you to apologize to Chelsea fans.
Just saying.
When Chelsea have red card,
I will never.
Then you won't tell us when.
Ever.
Then you won't tell me when to stop talking.
Why do you have to apologize, man?
You need to apologize. Because the standards are holding Chelsea to. You don't hold your Manchester United to it.
Now they ain't already the red card.
When the red card, and the money, when the red card, it sounds to shell. I know the red card.
Red card has some cocaine.
The game
before Chelsea did red cards.
Yes. Then all 2 matches. And I was here a red card team. Nobody knew more yet.
I never said I never
red card.
Baby,
red card.
Because some red card.
Exactly.
Game name boy and red card. Everton a red card.
Exactly.
It's the end of a target red card.
Red card on Sunday shell. Me catch you say we United team no.
And you say here ni fashion Barcelona nyimri. Mon fan say
Chelsea ni Barcelona.
Aye. Mon fan say.
See, a match I am more, so we will not stress on it. We'll play the game. Inti exactly you know, a match. That's the most important thing. You go draw on ma. You boss a match no. Now for your shade you back.
Okay.
In
share 104.5. And then them say your match is no stress and papa but Nindi Namniwa. I'm say, is it the BBA Kofika Samame? Okay. Me for message ba ko mienu bi nwram na afi yento so emfa emamo. Muniru Ibrahim say Richardo magical stop. The voice coming. Obia boy say cha 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 cha. Okay. Kasiamu voice say cha 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 cha. Anthony Boache, I thank God Richardo has given his support to Barcelona. That means Chelsea is going to beat them. Woto. Thank you, Richardo, for supporting Barcelona for their incoming loss. Cha man. Okay. And also at the Abrene Anopay. Someone can see I said the earlier Manchester United accept and move on from our Morim the better. A red card in 13th minute, and you're still playing 5 back with 3 centre backs. I said Zegzi chance there was nothing, and I agree with you perfectly. About 200%. The reason I know pay my makers are Morim on your coach no. On your coach back. Uru Obibo game 13th minute. Go the red card. Still, now that's so about 5 defenders for what? For what? And game Kofi. So he exist. I only 2 had the bina. Pickford is a we now. As a year crown about 10 against 11. Amorim wasa papa. Who I am Morim. Unti bawasa. Kofi yanko Champions League na. Yentu aso.
Na. Rich, I didn't see Munina more fixated on the Chelsea Barca games.
It's because I know they had the biggest fisher.